So we're planning moustache transplantation for this handsome guy. You can see our plan. So there's a scar there as well, and there's also positive hair follicles, especially just beneath the nose and both sides of that, including the scar. Zoom in a little bit more and show you. So we're going to get single follicles for him and transplant in the region. We're going to be doing this in the OR, day care procedure, local anesthesia. Start extracting or taking the hair follicles. They're preparing the patient now. So this is his complaint. He has a scar and paucity of hair follicles in the upper lip. We're doing a moustache transplantation. So the plan for him is we're going to be harvesting from behind the ear the permanent hair follicle, FUE technique, follicular unit extraction technique, scarless technique, safe technique, sutureless technique, predictable technique, right? Since it's the moustache, we want to remove the single follicles only. I'm going to plant it in the area by the pick and place technique. Alright, so we prepared it now. The first step is to clean up, make the hole, keep the cover hole, and then we're going to give the local anesthesia, and then we're going to use our sleeve to harvest the hair grafts, the follicles. So that's the plan. I already explained the plan to you. So we're going to get hair follicles all across. In some area you see there's a scar as well. So we'll be transplanting hair in the scar also. Thank you. So this is the first step. We'll be giving local anesthesia and tumescent before we harvest the graft. Put some syringes lined up. A few more. Very careful. Planning to take 250 odd follicles, grafts. And these are the grafts that have been harvested and has been put in the petri dish. Later the slots will be prepared in the upper lip and these grafts placed there. So there we are, this is just done now.